All right, guys, so I did buy a new car. A lot of you already know not what it is. A lot of you know I bought that, all right? Went and got it a couple days ago. Been busy with other stuff and not had time to shoot this video. But today, finally got the video shot. So, I'll do the big reveal. As you probably already know by now, it's not a Kia, but I do like to joke around about that. I'll flip you around here and show you what we did get. And what we ended up getting here was a 2014 Mercedes G-wagon. And a lot of you guys would be very happy. A lot of you guys are probably gonna hate me, but you can't ever please everybody. Why did I buy a Mercedes on a BMW channel, you ask? Well, we've been doing BMW for so many years, and I have so much knowledge of other vehicles, it was just kind of getting boring, to be totally honest with you. I was getting very bored with it. And I couldn't bring myself to go out and buy an F90 M5, F10 M5, another M car. You know, I couldn't go make myself buy something that was $2,000 that I didn't want, and have more money in than what it's worth. And then you can't really sell it for what you have in it, and you lose money on it, right? Obviously, I make money on the videos, but a bad investment's a bad investment. So I got this. This thing is never going to be worth less than what I paid for it, unless I put some crazy stuff on it. This thing does have 80,000 miles. Like I said, 2014, so it still is under warranty. This is a G63. As you can see there. And this car makes, what, 585 horsepower from the factory. It does have side pipes. I'm trying to hold this camera still, but this is not a camera you want to hold by hand. But that's what we're doing. So, from what I read, these are bulletproof. I don't know. I mean, it feels like it is. The doors are very heavy. Wouldn't want to stand behind it and have you shooting me a 30-06, but I mean, maybe 9mm proof, maybe, you know, don't know. Side pipes on this side again, on both sides. And got some factory AMG wheels on this AMG on them, I guess they're factory. And it does have a wrap. We'll be taking the wrap off. It has a white wrap. This is actually a black G63, not a white one. And the top and the hood is sprayed as some kind of spray on wrap type stuff. We'll be taking that off. And you can see here, it is black. You can tell by the door jamb. So hopefully it all works out. And here's a quick shot of the inside. Alcantara headliner. You probably can't see it with this camera. This should be pretty interesting. I'm not going to go over it too much in depth. We're going to do another video on this. And then probably the next one will be a time-lapse of peeling this non-scent wrap off. So definitely stay tuned. There is a lot more content to come on this one. We're still doing BMW content too. Don't worry if you're a BMW watcher. We'll definitely have more BMW videos out. Don't freak out. We're just going to do a little bit of both. That's going to be it. We'll see you very soon with another video. Have a good day. See you later.